100% organic cocoa sugar. So you can see here, this is my own dessert version. Sprinkling here coconut powder sugar. You can see here what's the descriptions below. Yum. And otherwise, I will add cinnamon. So I have here few left powder. Let's sprinkle a little bit. Yummy. Get the chance to feel the weather and moisten your skin. It's early in the morning, so take advantage this kind of weather. Whether you like it or not, wake up, run to the park, and enjoy the weather. That way, the benefits of vitamin D. Right? Well, it smells good. Have all benefits. This is grown in tropical island. You can hear the sounds. It's crunchy. Don't you know that coconut have all benefits, especially protein, fats, carbohydrates, vitamins, minerals, and also have water content. You can eat raw, tastes like milk.